Ooh,
Mic check.
it's
Lots of
a
woo.
party going on.
Right?
All
It's a
right.
party everywhere.
Tableau is a party.
It is a party, yes.
I have the Data Nerd podcast.
Yes.
Right? So
we love it.
Are you a data nerd?
I am a data nerd, yes.
When did you realize you were one?
Oh, that's such a good question. I think it was probably when it was like a Friday night in 2021. And my friends were like, "Oh, like, do you want to do it?" Yes, yeah, no, because
Okay.
here,
Okay.
stay with me.
Okay.
I was working on this viz. My friends were like, "Oh, like, do you want to go out to dinner? Do you want to go out? Like, it's Friday night." I was like, "No, guys, I just started working on my dating rap viz. I'm not going out. Like, this is what I'm doing for the weekend."
Yeah.
I was just so excited to like look at my own personal data, to look at it, analyze it, and put it together into the story. I was like, "Okay, I'm a data nerd. Like, this is so fun to me. Like, this is a hobby.
That's awesome.
I love it." My friends were like, "What?"
So you, at that point, I think you realized it was fun.
Yes.
People going out for having a good time.
On Friday night. I'm like, "No, guys, I'm inside."
That's awesome.
I have this viz. I really want to get it done. I'm like so excited. You want to stay up till 1 a.m.
Are you a data nerd?
Oh, absolutely, yes.
When did you realize you were one?
Oh my gosh, this was probably very early on in life. I think it was when it's funny because I always tell my kids about video games, and they'd always ask about, how did you get started playing video games?
Yeah.
And I would tell them, when I was a kid, you'd have to go and you'd get, the video game in the back of a magazine, and you'd have to type it in BASIC, and you'd buy the magazine at the grocery store.
Yeah.
And it was kind of fun because it's like, first you just type the video game in and see if it worked and hoped it worked.
Yeah.
But at one point, it got to the point where you got bored playing that video game and you'd have to start modifying it. There'd be, tiny little things I needed to do that got me started in kind of the world of data. You'd have to collect data from the game if you wanted to kind of build on it.
So how old were you when you did this?
I started in 4th grade.
That's really early.
Started in 4th
So
grade.
you knew you were a data nerd at an early age.
Well, this is kind of what did it, was the fact that I think my mom had signed me up for some sort of school program.
Yeah.
And I didn't live in the best of neighborhoods and kind of got beat up every day on my way to that school program. So she said, forget this. Let's put you into a programming class.
Okay.
And, the next week I went to a programming class, and that was kind of when I realized, I'm like, wow, I can do this. This is a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And that really, really kind of started everything off.
I think when I started my journey in 2020 in the data world, I thought it's nice, but when I started playing with it, almost I remember when I started building visualization, it kind of sucked me in.
Yeah.
That's when I realized, okay, I like to play with data. So yes, I can say I'm a data nerd.
So Tableau made you a data nerd.
I can say that.
Right.
Not just Tableau, but Tableau community.